Hi, this is the We Like Women political party. Please vote for Mitt Romney. Yes, vote for Mitt Romney. Now, we like women. We are proud to like women. And if they do not like women, they are the enemy. Yes, our enemies do not like women. Now, we ask that you please vote for Mitt Romney. Now, and please remember, everything in this video is our free speech political opinion. Mitt Romney has no official affiliation with the We Like Women political party. We are just expressing our free speech political opinion and asking that you vote for Mitt Romney, and we have the right to express our opinion. Now, please vote for Mitt Romney. And the reason we want you to vote for Mitt Romney is because, okay, we are the We Like Women political party, and we want to pass We Like Women laws. These are laws that are going to make everyone like women better. So if you're a woman, we're going to pass laws that are going to condition everyone to like you better. And if you're a man that likes a woman, a straight heterosexual man, then you're going to be better off because you like women. We're going to pass We Like Women laws. So women and straight men are going to be better off. And we feel that Mitt Romney would more than likely help support our We Like Women laws. Mitt Romney is, we feel he's a good candidate. We feel that he would like to support our We Like Women laws. And we know that Mitt Romney is a straight heterosexual male. We know he likes women. So please vote for Mitt Romney. And please remember, this is just our opinion. Thank you very much. And please remember, our enemies do not like women. We like women, and we are proud to like women. Thank you.